Is Google Chrome not opening in Windows 11? Then this guide is here to help you resolve it and get back to running Google Chrome again. Now, the first step to take when dealing with Google Chrome not opening is to restart your computer. This refreshes the system resources and can fix any minor issues that may be causing the problem. But if restarting did not work, open Task Manager, choose Processes, look for any Chrome services running, and if you find it, right-click on it, and then select End Task. And after doing this, try to open Google Chrome again. Now, your antivirus or firewall can also sometimes block Google Chrome from opening. So in this case, search for Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, click on Manage Settings, toggle off Real-Time Protection switch, and upon completing the steps, close the window and then restart your computer. And that's how to fix Google Chrome not opening in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.